This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Swagger UI for the target service and loading the Open API spec. This gives you the contract you will test. Once done, make sure you have an API key or bearer token ready. Enter it in the authorization field so authenticated endpoints respond. Also inspect the browser console and the UI status. Parsing errors mean the spec is malformed, and you should fix those before proceeding, because endpoints depend on correct schemas and paths. Now you execute endpoints step by step. Pick a representative resource and click Try It Out, then enter path, query, header, and body parameters. Vary values to cover valid and invalid cases. As you run requests, inspect the status codes, response payloads, and headers. This tells you whether the server follows the spec. Make sure response bodies validate against the declared schema, and note latency and error messages, because those insights guide fixes and help prioritize bugs. Finish by saving your successful calls and exporting collections or examples so tests are repeatable. Update the Open API spec with real examples to aid future testing. Once done, document any deviations between implementation and spec and assign fixes. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Confirm your token and cores, replay the request with curl, and check server logs for errors. These steps quickly reveal authentication, routing, or schema mismatch issues so you can resolve them efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.